Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 8th, 2009. Beautiful Thursday we have brewing here. At 8:30 we have initial claims and continuing claims, so we'll be watching that very closely. And we have a gap up this morning in the futures. This is the S&P ETF, however, gapping right up into this prior swing high, which is also, where this swing high was, right through here, and also the breakdown of the high base many days ago. So on September 23rd, and then it kind of fell off a cliff here and headed south, made that nice swing low and then a lower swing high at resistance, so on and so forth. We're right back up there now at the 107 mark, and after a beautiful consolidation yesterday at the 100% retrace area of this sell-off, we did get a nice breakthrough of that even after the bell. So that's what we're looking at. If I zoom in a time frame, doesn't again matter what you're looking at, it's the same chart. It's just now you can fine-tune this activity, either pre and post market or not. So if I remove the pre and post market data, easy to do that. Just 1 second. There we go. We would be opening, like I said, at the 107 mark right now if it happened, and that is after a beautiful consolidation. If you look at a daily chart, that swing low held. We ran back up into resistance yesterday and consolidated like we thought, but now we're looking at the 107 mark, which is right in here. If I fine tune that, and again that is that swing high back here that we talked about, and then the breakdown. So that makes a lot of sense right here. That'll be a big one to break through, but we are now in that area definitely of the prior consolidation before the sell-off and the higher swing low, albeit with losing momentum. So volume is also declining on this run-up, so that's typically not what you want to see if you think you're going to get some good continuation. So I'm going to watch that carefully as well. Increased volume on the sell-off, decreasing volume on the run-up. So that's just a little bit of an eye-catching feature. And again, as you work your way out of an area, especially as significant as this on a weekly chart, then that actually makes a little bit of sense. So today, of course, I'll be watching the tick and the trend and the VIX and the bank as well, and seeing how those initial claim numbers come out and how the markets digest that. Kind of cool. So all of our levels being hit well and tested almost to the penny. It's really good to see the markets reacting like this, and we'll look for that 107 mark to break if we can get it, and go higher. So if we don't, of course, we'll be looking for the next logical places of support on this chart, and I have to zoom out here. 107 is right here. I'll drop a line. So 106.50, the 106 mark, even the 105.30 area, those are all going to be good areas of support on the way back down, especially if the numbers aren't what we expected. So good stuff. It seems messy, but all these lines mean something, and when you zoom back in, of course, then it makes even more sense. So good stuff, everybody. I'll talk to you around noon Eastern Standard Time, and I hope you have a great trading day today.